أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول
Right now at the Faisal Mosque, and the Faisal Mosque was named after a king whose name is Faisal from Saudi Arabia, and he funded for this mosque. Come through, and we happen to be at the right time, prayer time. You see, no other mosque, this is something different. Very fancy, very fancy. It can hold a gathering of 20,000 people, around 20,000 people.
100,000.
My bad, 100,000. I'm getting my facts wrong. But look, it's huge.
अल्लाह ताला से दता फरमाएगा।
Time to try corn. Pakistani local corn, yeah? Brother, Assalamu alaikum.
एक जगह दो जगह
क्या जी?
एक जगह दो जगह
एक एक अलग अलग बस एक एक।
Trying the local corn, very first time in Pakistan. Beautiful, and that's only 50 rupees.
Yes. He's gonna make the other one as well. So these are two different kinds.
Two different kinds.
एक चने चाहिए हमें. इतने ही चने.
खत्म हो गए गोल वाले
वो क्या है?
चने खत्म हो गए
प्लेन देखिए ना, प्लेन चाहिए, गुड़ वाले नहीं, प्लेन. Thank you. Shukriya. Did you pay
We'll get
him?
to try, yes.
Okay, did you pay him 100?
Not yet.
No, don't pay him 1,000. I have 100.
That's right, we'll
Hold
get
the
some
camera.
change as well.
Okay. खुले हैं आपके पास?
Of course, he's a rich man.
आपको कह रहे हैं आप बहुत अमीर बंदे हैं, आपके पास होंगे खुले. साल भर मेहनत कर तभी अमीर है.
Thank you very much. Alright, time to try corn. It's literally about 9 degrees right now. Temperature's dropping. Okay. These are the corns. Moist, soft, very nice, and healthy as well. Assalamu alaikum. How's your corns?
Nice.
Good?
I haven't tried it though. Just maybe a bit.
Exactly what I needed, just to fuel myself.
Warm, which is fun.
It's quite cold, man. Very cold. And imagine in Hunza, Gilgit,
-20
-20.
is waiting for us.
Looking forward to it.